Hey guys, this is your house fitness. My name is Min Young. I'll walk you through a step on how to do a left hook. So keep you in this stance as a starting point, arms up, and to do a left hook, imagine spinning yourself. Without doing the punch, try to move left and right. As you can see, my foot is pivoting to get that movement and more mobility. And as you're punching, you want to keep your arms out like this. People mistaking that throwing a left hook with just throw your arms as like this. However, that is not the case. If you want to throw a proper left hook, you want to use that body as one segment, like this, for example. So, to punch the heavy bag, I will keep my stance, shift my body weight to the left, and throw my left hook. And remember to always breathe out, be loose, and as impact, you want to keep your hands very firm. So as a demonstration again. So always keep in mind to always do that left hook, always pivot your feet, twerk, and generate that power at the end. So that's how you throw a left hook. Hope you guys enjoy. Link in the description and make sure to subscribe.